Hey guys, welcome to CreativeSoft, and in this particular video we are going to unbox the iExpand Drive by SanDisk. And what you all can do is you all can transfer the files between your iPhone to this particular pen drive and then connect this to an external Android phone or a PC and then transfer the data. So this is one of the fastest way of transferring the data from your iPhone to an external storage, and from then taking a backup and connecting it to the external system. If you are new to this channel guys, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell notification icon to get future updates whenever we upload any new video. Also guys, please watch this particular video till the end because we are just going to talk about everything about this particular iExpand drive, which will be helping you to make a purchase decision in the future. So let's get started. Let's unbox this iExpand Flash Drive Go by SanDisk, and this is one of the best pen drives which are available for connecting your iPhone. So I got the 64GB variant, but it is also available in 128GB and 256GB, and this is exclusively available on Amazon. Also you can get from Flipkart. So the price what I got it for around 2400 something on Amazon. So I'll be also linking the buy link in the description, and this is not an affiliate link or something, and y'all can directly buy from Amazon, which I would recommend. And let me know in the comments below guys if you are using any lightning connector for connecting your iPad, or what's the best way you all find of transferring the data, especially the bigger files like videos and all which I shoot. Let me just remove this from the packing, and the packing also is good like a typical SanDisk which we can find for all the SanDisk related product. I'd been using their product quite a bit, and SanDisk is not sponsoring this video. I actually purchased it with my personal money. What I like about SanDisk is the build quality etc. And let us just remove this. I really like the sound when that peel off comes off. Let me just show you this, and it is a metal come sort of a hybrid, like a rubber kind of thing. And as you can see over here guys, it is looking fantastic. One of the best looking pen drive by SanDisk, and it got this kind of rubber sleeve and also two connectors. One is the lightning, the other one is USB 3. The data transfer should be much more faster compared to a typical USB 2 pen drive. And what I really like about it is the look, and especially people who own a black iPhone and all, this is a kind of look they should definitely go with. And there are other pen drives also. Let me know if you all are using any of those, so that, or you all want me to compare it with any other pen drive, then at least in the next video we can make sure that we do a comparison video between this pen drive and others. So let me know in the comment below. Also this is sort of that pressed one kind of aluminum which we have it on the side, and basically guys this is a rubber one. So this is the rotating mechanism what we have is of rubber, and it is sort of a TPU kind of thing. So the one which you get for your other kind of cases of your smartphone etc. So it is sort of a TPU which is flexible and not full metal. Only the body of this particular pen drive is metal, and this is a USB 3 connector which I was talking about. So read write speed should be plenty for any person who is using it. Also guys, we'll be doing a full in-depth comparison in the next video. Also we'll be showing how you can compare, connect this to your iPhone and transfer the data, and the best way of doing it. I hope you enjoyed this particular video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel because there is always something new to learn on CreativeSoft. Also do check out these cool videos which we have. Let us know in the comments below what you think, what are your opinions about this particular topic. And again, thanks a lot guys for watching this particular video, and see you in my next video.